Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of the indicator store of the series Do It Yourself. And today I am going to explain what are the NinjaTrader templates. A template is a set of configuration that includes everything related to a chart. So we can create a copy of what we have, even the bar type. Because for example, if we have something completely different, no? And I want to transfer from this chart to this chart. One of the methods is copying one by one each of the indicators in the correct panel. So that may take some time, but it is possible, okay? It is a slow process, but it is possible. Now we only need to adjust the bar types, but maybe the colors are different, the fonts are different. So there is a better way of doing that, and this is using a template. Okay, so on the when you have a chart like this that you want to copy, you right-click the chart, select template, save as, and choose a name. For example, this is my template. Now, where is this file? That file is on one of the NinjaTrader folders. But before doing that, if you want to transfer this to a chart of the same NinjaTrader, this is really simple, because now on this chart, we can right-click templates. But before doing that, let me remove everything, no? So we can compare what I had and what I get. Right-click, templates, load, and then I need to search the name of the template that I just saved. This is my template, this one. Load, and you can see that it also includes the format of the bars, the color of the bars, the fonts, the background, everything. So it is a copy of everything. Now you can say, okay, perfect. So now, how can I move this to another computer? For example, a VPS. This is a VPS. It is on another computer, another place. So I don't have the same, I cannot copy and paste from here to here. So I need that file. Now, where is that file? That file is on Documents, NinjaTrader 8, Templates, Chart. And you can see this one here, okay? Now, you can also receive a template file from a friend, or maybe you purchase a template. Now, how can include that template in your computer? First of all, let's copy this, and now paste it on the VPS here. Right-click, paste. This is the case where you want to transfer from your computer to your VPS. Now we can work here. And now I need to move this to the correct folder. Because if on this computer I do right-click, templates, load, this is not on the correct folder. Okay? So I need to open the NinjaTrader folder. It is inside Documents, NinjaTrader 8, Templates, Chart. Place this XML file. You can see the extension of those files. I don't know if it is possible on properties. I think you can see the extension are XML. Okay. Now we can place this file inside this folder. That means that now I can right click, templates, load. This is my template, load, and now I have a copy of what I had previously on my local computer, and this is my VPS. Perfect. So very simple. But this is not the only way. Maybe you receive a template from a vendor in an easier to install. Let's say that, let me check on the download folder. On the downloads, I have this template, and you can see it is a zip file, okay? This is one of the templates that you can find on my website with managed templates. That means includes a set of indicators, creating signals, and also automating those signals. And this is even easier because you need to just install this zip file from Tools, Import, NinjaScript. So let's try to do that, okay? Now I need to select the download folder. It is already selected, but usually it is this window opens on NinjaTrader, so you will need to go to, usually it is on Documents, NinjaTrader 8, okay? So you need to go to Downloads. I select the template for this setup. The name of the setup is the Edge, okay? And you can see it is showing that some of the indicators already exist on your computer. So you can click on yes. So it is updating everything. And it is loading a lot of things on different places. And not only the chart template, but also the ATM templates. So now, if I try to apply this template, right click, templates, load, and you can see we have a template for Standard & Poor's and another for Nasdaq. Currently I am on Standard & Poor's, but before doing this, you can see that this template is to trade the Edge setup, and we need the Edge indicator for that, but I don't have the Edge indicator. Okay? It is inside the indicator store folder, and you can see there is no Edge indicator. What happens? Well, if you don't have the indicator and you download and install a template that needs an indicator, you will get an error. Let's see what happens. Templates, load, this one, Edge for Standard & Poor's, load, and you can see that error, okay? That means Markers is trying to copy an indicator that do not exist. So what can we do? We can remove everything that we don't need, because not having the indicator, nothing of this works, because this is trying to copy the long signals of an indicator that is not installed, and this is trying to copy the short signals of that indicator that is not installed. So we can install the indicator, Tools, Import, NinjaScript, and I guess it is here, the Edge indicator. And now that the indicator is loaded, okay, the template is not going to auto-fix. Okay, even if I refresh, reload NinjaScript, the indicator tried to copy an indicator that do not exist, and that's all. Okay, it is not going to auto-fix. You need to load the template again in this way. Templates, load, edge, and there you have it. And we have a very nice long at the bottom. Okay, just in the case if you want to check that you have installed the edge indicator, you can remove everything. Okay, and check if the indicator is present, and yes, it is here, and also if it works. And yes, it is drawing signal, but you can see the difference because it is not auto. Those are the default settings. But when you load the template, again, the links for that template are on the description of this video. Then it auto configures this as we were looking before. No templates, load this, and a perfect bounce on this moving average. Okay, hope this has been useful. The idea is you can copy anything from your computer to another chart. Very simple. Save your template and then load the template. And if you want to transfer to a different computer, then you need to search for that file and copy the files on the correct folder. But if you have a vendor template, usually you only need to install from tools, import, and that's all. We import zip files. But if you have a template in XML format, then you need to place that file in the correct folder. Okay, if you have any question or comment, don't forget that we have a free chat room on Discord. The access is free and the instructions are on the description of this video. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.